Welcome to Better Living. Anti-aging products, how to choose the right ones for your skin. Anti-aging products are a great way to reduce the signs of aging and help keep your skin looking youthful. But with so many products on the market, it can be hard to know which ones are right for you. In this video, we'll discuss how to choose the right anti-aging products for your skin. Understand your skin type. The first step in choosing the right anti-aging products is to understand your skin type. Knowing your skin type will help you select products that are specifically formulated for your skin's needs. There are 4 basic skin types: normal, oily, combination, and dry. Each skin type is unique and requires different products. Know your skin concerns. Once you know your skin type, you can start to identify your skin concerns. Do you have wrinkles, dark spots, dryness, or sensitivity? Knowing your skin concerns will help you narrow down the types of products you should use. Look for key ingredients. When shopping for anti-aging products, you'll want to look for key ingredients that will help combat your skin concerns. Retinol and hyaluronic acid are 2 of the most popular anti-aging ingredients. Retinol helps reduce wrinkles and fine lines, while hyaluronic acid helps to hydrate and plump skin. Other ingredients to look for include peptides, antioxidants, and vitamin C. Choose products with broad-spectrum sunscreen. It's important to protect your skin from the sun's damaging rays. Look for anti-aging products that contain broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30. This will help protect your skin from the sun's UVA and UVB rays and help prevent further damage. Read reviews. It's always a good idea to read reviews before purchasing a product. Reviews can help you get a better understanding of how a product works and what kind of results you can expect. Share your thoughts and spread the word by sharing and liking the video.